Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and today is day number 21 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar series. And here is the reveal of the product. And yes, it is sort of getting easier because there's so many doors that are already done. Do I still struggle a bit? Maybe. All right, so they're dies. Those are pretty cute. I don't have anything like this in my stash. And it is a layering, like build-a-die thing, so I'm pretty sure you could probably use it in whatever version of itself that you'd like. You could just cut out that main square die and use it as it is. But it does come with all those different layers of flowers and leaves and stuff. So right now we're going to choose some colors of cardstock that we want to do. And I've decided that those flowers that I just pointed at there, I want to do those in like a version of red and pink. So I want to like alternate those with like that pink there being the big one and then a different color. I thought I wanted to do the light pink, but I decided against the light pink, but we'll do it probably in red. And then we're trying to pick out the rest of the colors. I want like a yellow, I think, for the little flowers, but I'm not finding what I'm looking for. That's too bright. And let's see what else we can find. Yeah, sorry, I'm off the screen a little bit digging around for my colors in my scrap bins. I do when projects like this, I dig all the pieces out from the scrap bin as long as I can find something that's big enough to fit my dies, because I have way too many scraps and I feel guilty throwing any of them in the trash. So apparently I'm a scrap paper hoarder. Yes, I admit it. Is that the first step to recovery, is admitting you're a paper hoarder? Scrap paper hoarder? All right, so I've die cut 6 of these. I think at this point that I'm going to put them all on an A2 size card. So here I am cleaning all the little bits out of all the die cuts that I did. And it really didn't take me as long as I thought it would to do all this. But now we're going to do all the other pieces. Because I used a big piece of cardstock, that's why I die cut those separately. All right, and so for the little flower dot thingies that you see me painstakingly picking up and sticking to that piece of tape, I decided I'm going to color those brown with a marker. And I figured that the easiest way to do that would be to stick them to a piece of low-tack tape. And then I would color them with the marker, and that is what I did. So now we're going to assemble all the flowers. It was not super easy to get those things off the tape as I thought it would with the sticky tool thing, the jewel picker tool. It didn't work, so I had to kind of like scrape it off with my fingernail for the most part, which is fine because I do currently have one long fingernail. Usually I have none. So we're assembling all the different flowers, and I do have you in super hyper mode because who wants to sit and watch me assemble all these little things? They're super cute. But at this point, I realize that I'm going to put them on a mini slimline card because I think it'll fit better. And I don't know what sentiment I'm going to use yet, so I'm going to leave a spot there for the sentiment towards the bottom of the card. And I've arranged them in the order that I want them to be on the card so that none of the same colors are like next to each other on both sides. And I'm using the Make Art Station ruler. You can see it over there on the right side, the clear one, because it has like a zero in the center type of thing, and it measures out from there. So it can kind of help me keep it like the measurements right and everything. And with the lines on the back of the Make Art Station, I can also keep my stuff as straight as possible, because I'm not very good at keeping things straight with just eyeballing it, because the other day I made a card and I thought I did a pretty good job until I saw the photos afterwards, and I was like, that eyeballing situation didn't work so well for me. So that's why we're trying to use the Make Art Station to help ourselves out, because these are going to be noticeable if I don't get them pretty straight, because they are in fact little small squares. But I did start at the top, then I went to the bottom. Here is my finished card. Sorry, there was no 5 seconds of Sonic today. He didn't feel like cooperating for a video today. He did try to eat a gingerbread house today, though. So there's that. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it when you interact, when you like and subscribe and leave comments. I love that. Thank you so much for everyone who interacts with my channel and shows me love. See you next time. Bye.